Hello students, today's topic is prenatal development, stage of lifespan development. Prenatal development refers to the process in which a baby develops from a single cell after conception into an embryo and later a fetus. First stage is germinal. The germinal stage begins at the conception when the sperm and egg cells unite in one or the two fallopian tubes. The fertilized egg, known as a zygote, then moves towards the uterus, a journey that can take up to a week to complete. Cell division begins approximately 24 to 36 hours after conception. Within just a few hours after conception, the single-cell zygote begins making a journey down the fallopian tube to the uterus when it will begin the process of cell division and growth. Through the process of meiosis, the zygote first divides into two cells, then into 4, 8, 16 and so on. A significant number of zygotes never progress past this early part of cell division, with as many as half of all zygotes surviving less than 2 weeks. Once the 8-cell point has been reached, the cells begin to differentiate and take on certain characteristics that will determine the type of cells they will eventually become. As the cells multiply, they will also separate into two distinctive masses. The outer cells will eventually become the placenta, while the inner cells will form the embryo. Cell division continues at a rapid rate, and the cells then develop into what is known as a blastocyst. The blastocyst is made up of three layers: the ectoderm, the endoderm, and the mesoderm. Next. Finally, the blastocyst arrives at the uterus and attached to the uterine wall, a process known as implantation. Implantation occurs when the cells settle into the uterine lining and rupture tiny blood vessels. The connective web of blood vessels and membranes that form between them will provide nourishment for the developing being for the next 9 months. Implantation is not always an automatic and surefire process. When implantation is successful, hormonal changes alter women's normal menstrual cycle and cause a whole host of physical changes. For some women, activities they previously enjoyed, such as smoking, drinking, alcohol, coffee, may become less palatable, possible part of nature's way of protecting the growing life inside her embryonic state. At this point, the mass of cells is now known as an embryo. The beginning of the third week after conception marks the start of the embryonic period. At this time, when the mass of cells becomes distinct as a human, the embryonic stage plays an important role in the development of the brain. The embryo begins to divide into three layers, each of which will become an important body system. Approximately 4 weeks after conception, the neural tube forms. This tube will later develop into the central nervous system, including the spinal cord and brain. The neural tube begins to form along with an area known as the neural plate. The earlier signs of the development of the neural tube are the images of two ridges that form along each side of the neural place. Over the next few days, more ridges form and fold inward until a hollow tube is formed. Once this tube is fully formed, the cell begins to form near the center. The tube begins to close and brain vesicles form. These vesicles will eventually develop into parts of the brain, including the structures of the forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Around the fourth week, the head begins to form, quickly followed by the eyes, nose, ears and mouth. The cardiovascular system is where the earliest activity begins at the blood vessel that will become the heart start to pulse. During the fifth week, buds that will form the arms and legs appear. In 18th week, The embryo has all the basic organs and parts except those of the sex organs. It even has knees and elbows. At this point, the embryo weighs just on 1 gram and is about 1 inch in length. As neurons form, they migrate to different areas of the brain. Once they have reached to the correct location, they begin to form connections with the other neural cells, establishing rudimentary neural networks. Fetal stage. Once cell differentiation is mostly complete, the embryo enters the next stage and becomes known as a fetus. The fetal period of prenatal development marks more important changes in the brain. This period of development begins during the 9th week and lasts until birth. The early body systems structures established in the embryonic stage continue to develop. It is at this point, prenatal development, that the neural tube develops into the brain and spinal cord and neurons continue to form. Once these neurons have formed, they begin to migrate to their correct locations. Synapses or the connections between neurons also begin to develop. It is during the period between the 9th and 20th week at the earliest reflexes begin to emerge and the fetus begin to make reflexive motions with his arms and legs. This stage lasts the longest and is marked by amazing change and growth. During this month of gestation, the sex organs begin to differentiate, and by the end of this month, all parts of the body will be formed. At this point, the fetus weighs around 3 ounces. The fetus continues to grow in both weight and length, although the majority of the physical growth occurs in the later stages of pregnancy. The end of 3rd month also marks the end of the first trimester of the pregnancy. During the second trimester of months 4 through 6, the end of the 3rd month 6, the heartbeat grows stronger and other body systems become further developed. Fingernails, hair, eyelashes and toenails form. Perhaps most noticeably, the fetus increases quite dramatically in size, increasing about 6 times in size. So what's going on inside the brain during this important period of prenatal development? The brain and central nervous system also become more responsive during the second. Around 28 weeks, the brain starts off mature faster with an activity that greatly resembles that of a sleeping newborn. During the period from 7 months until birth, the fetus continues to develop, put on weight and prepare for life outside the womb. The lungs begin to expand and contract, preparing the muscles for breathing. Thank you.